Guys, here we are at TJ Maxx, and I'm not leaving without looking at the mugs. So let's take a look to see what they have, guys. So they're resetting the store, and half of the store is empty. So we're just gonna be looking at some random things, guys. So join me. So this mug right here says love. That's $3.99. Then this one says teach, inspire, and grow. And it's in the shape of an apple. That's $4.99. Okay, it takes a big heart to teach little minds. I love that mug. And look at this one. This is a bunny. These are $3.99. I think these are all $3.99. You've got this. $3.99. And so this is for teachers, guys. And then it says bookworm. This one says respect our home. Be nice to your mother. Here's a cactus one. And here is but first coffee, then wine, then pizza, not walnut flexing, of course. It takes love to teach little minds. And then here's a bee. Be kind. I like that. This is nice. Follow your dreams. We saw that one. And so they have these. This says be kind. Mama Bear, I like that. A great coach can change life. So here's be kind. Cousins, friends for life. And this one says, I got it from my mama. That's cute. Phenomenal teacher. I don't know what I said before, guys. It's probably too early or too hot. $4.99. This mug is so cute, it's iridescent. So I'm liking this mug right here. Isn't that pretty? And then look at this one. Very nice. Okay, this is squishy silicone. This is pretty cute. That's $2.99. Then they have these sponge holders. I like these things. Dollar Tree came out with one. This one, of course, is heavier duty. This is $3.99. They have some of these silicone scrubbers, guys. A bamboo and a bamboo brush. That bamboo brush is $2.99. Felt pads. You can get a ton of these felt pads over at the Dollar Tree. So I have some nice stuff. Look at these silicone gloves. I like these. These are $6.99. Here's a Mickey Mouse pair. And those are $3.99. Okay. So let's see what they have over here. Look at these soap dispensers. So these soap dispensers are $2.99. I'm liking this green. And that pump is $2.99. Soap and water. That one over there says soap, but the nozzle is broke. So here's a set with two. You don't even, oh, they're connected too. A dual pump dispenser. That's a neat idea. $9.99. Then they have this one here. I like this one. $12.99. So then you have some wall decor. So that one says embrace positivity. $12.99. Stay courageous. $19.99. It's cool to be kind. $19.99. I love these positive messages. Being kind is kind of magical. $19.99. And that's Pisces for $12.99. And then they have these. So this is a canvas and $16.99 for each panel. Then they have that Star Wars one. Let's see how much that is. $12.99. And then this one here, that's a two-piece. That's $24.99. That one says stay courageous and you are one of a kind. Look at this. Okay, so this has a little dent on it. It says hello spring and it's by Ray Dunn. That's $6. And they have this coffee mug for $3.50. This initial mug is reduced to $4.50. Here it is in the blue. So I think they're all reduced to $4.50, guys. Yeah. So these are the colors. And here's, I like that green one. So this one here is $3.50. Yeah, and so is that one. So Fit and Fresh. So this one here, guys, is $14.99. Then you have this one here. I like these. Okay, so this one is, I don't see a tag for that one. They're all for pets, guys. I think these are really cute. Okay, so this one over here says be kind and kindness will find you back. That is $4.99. Happily ever after, this wooden block. Okay, that's $4.99. We decided on forever. I like that. Isn't that sweet? That's sweet. That's $4.99. So pretty much they're $4.99. And this is what they say, guys. You can do this. $5.99. Our love. $4.99. Work hard, be kind, and stay humble. That one is $3.99. I love us. $4.99. She believed she could and she did. I like that. $5.99. Then down here you have the initials, guys, and these initials are so cute. So these are $4.99. Aren't they cute? Look at those prints, and they're $4.99. And then this one says nurses. They may not be angels, but they're the next best thing. And here's some more initials. Aren't they nice? Casa Decor. And I think I told you they were $4.99. Very pretty, guys. And look at this. Be kind. So this one is $4.99. Best Nana ever with the buffalo check bow tie. That's $3.99. And this one says family. So this one is $5.99, guys. So this one is home. Sweet Home, and that's $5.99. So then they have these kind of picture frames. I'm loving this Indian one, made in India. That's $4.99. Be kind. Okay, so we're just going to kind of skim through. So this one says be kind. I'm loving that ribbon. That's $5.99. I like that one. Look at these glitter ones. Choose happy. These guys are $4.99. They're the graduation frames right there. Okay. The wrapping paper is so awesome. So here's the pineapple one. And this is $3.99. I like this one. So this is Queen West. And look at that, David Tutera. I just saw him over at Home Goods. His wrapping paper, I mean. Here's your tissue paper, guys. And you know how I love the paper bags. So, and look at this one, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? This is made in India. Guys, that's gorgeous. These gift bags right here are made in India. I'm absolutely loving those. And look at this. This is Ray Dunn. So this is $9.99. Best nurse ever. That's beautiful. And then you have some closet organizers and a tassel keychain. Oh, look at the napkins. Family and blessed. These are so nice. I like those. So here you have some magnet. Here's a magnet set right here, and some cups. I think they're moving stuff around. So here's some of their. Here's just a Ray Dunn grocery list. Isn't that cute? Be happy. Back there, notes. These come with the pens, and along the bottoms you have some writing. Look at this one, Writing by Ray Dunn. That one is $5.99. I love that. This one says blessed. I like these guys. My thoughts, take note. I love these guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna leave the store because I know they're resetting. Guys, I hope you're having an awesome day. I will see you guys in the next video.